Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to make an entry for your receipt, payment and contra transaction via single entry mode. For the purpose of making voucher entry, just press V from your keyboard. Now just read the transaction. Payment to PQR Private Limited via Axis Bank rupees 7,000 on 11/5/2020. What is the entry? PQR Limited account debit to Axis Bank account. So for the purpose of making a payment entry, I have to select F5 payment. What is the date? 11/5/2020. Now you can see that here debit credit mode is coming up, that is just double entry mode, but I want to do the entry as per a single entry mode. So just I press F12 or I can select F12 configure for your right hand side. So again when I select F12, the payment standard configuration general option will appear. In this you can read that skip date field during the creation for faster entry. If you have a multiple transaction for a same date, you can select yes, so that every time you don't have to enter the date. Now second thing, use single entry mode for payment receipt or a contra voucher. Here you can select yes. If you select yes, you can make your entry for a payment receipt and a contra voucher as a single entry. Just I select yes and I press enter. Again when I select use contra voucher, payment voucher or receipt voucher as a single entry mode, my display will be changed. You can see that before debit credit mode is coming up, now the mode is changed. So in this way you can make entry. Here you have to write your bank name and here you have to write your party's name to whom payment is made. So in this way I can make entry for my payment transaction. Now, transaction number 2, online payment is made via Axis Net Banking rupees 50,000 to Rahul till on 12/5/2020. So I just write here date, I write here Axis Bank, I have to write here party name. What is the amount? 50,000. Here I can write my narration if I want and I press enter, my entry will be done. Now transaction of receipt. So for the purpose of receipt I have to press F6. Again when I press F6, the receipt voucher is appear. Now if your receipt voucher is not as a single entry mode, you can select via F12 and you can select here yes if here it is a no. Must remember that use single entry mode for payment receipt or a contra voucher is on. Then and then you can make entry via this mode. So check of 9,000 received from Akash as on 10/5/2020. So my date is 10/5. Here I have to write my bank name. Here I have to write my party name. I can write here 9,000 and I just press enter. Here I can write my check number in narration. In this way I can make receipt entry. Cash received from Akash 400 on 11/May/2020. So 11/5 I have to write here cash. I have to write here party name. In this way I can make an entry for my receipt transaction. Now NEFT received from Gurudev Metal rupees 60,000 in Axis Bank as on 14/May/2020. So what is the entry? 14/May/2020. In which bank entry is received? Axis Bank. Who have made payment to us? Gurudev Metal. What is the amount? 60,000. I have to write here narration if I want and press enter. My entry is done. Now last entry is for a contra transaction. So for the purpose of making contra transaction, I have to select F4. Now please remember that contra is a transaction between a cash or a bank or a bank. मतलब contra is a transaction for a interbank transaction or a transaction within cash or bank. So cash withdrawal is made from a bank 25,000. So what is the entry? Cash account debit to bank account. So I just have to write here my date on which I have made cash withdrawal. Please remember that the account which is going to be debited is coming here. The account which is going to be debited is coming here in case of a contract. So what is going to be debited? Cash account is going to be debited. Here I have to select my payment account, that is Axis Bank account, and here I can write my amount. Here I can write my narration, suppose ATM withdrawal, or I can write my check number at extra, whatever you want, and press enter. In this way you can enter your transaction of receipt, payment and contra in a single entry mode. So I hope you will understand this. In the next video we will discuss another features about Tally. Thank you.